Hey folks, it's Yeni, and today I have a video of one of my first ever visits to Ding Repair. And Ding Repair is a really nice cafe and restaurant in San Juan del Sur, and they have a bowl and a mini pump track, as you can see here. It's one of the few spots we have, and their food is amazing. This was not really a planned video. I'm just making some space in my laptop and I discovered a whole bunch of videos of different adventures, and I thought, hey, why not put something together and share these experiences. I'm a huge fan of their smoothies here. If you guys happen to pass by Ding Repair, I really recommend El Pacifico, which is the smoothie I was having, the green one, and their pancakes. They got lots of vegan options, and yeah, and their bowl is awesome. I was just starting here. I mean, I'm technically still starting park skating, but this was really one of my first times in bowls, and yeah, it's nice to look back, and I really enjoyed this time. I remember during this skate session I was listening to Brazilian music. I was just having a really fun time. So it's a brief, as we say, short and sweet, and I hope you enjoy it. Thanks.
Sambo. ¿Qué la hiciste? Ahí la llevaba.